Chapter 11. Python Turtle the Programmer. Topics covered. Programming with Turtle. Code to draw basic geometrical shapes using Turtle, square, triangle, rectangle, circle. Saving the program. Changing the screen color. Changing the pen size. Changing the turtle shape. Python is a popular programming language. It works on different platforms: Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. This language has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. Python can be treated in a procedural way, an object-oriented way, or a functional way. Uses of Python language. This language can be used on a server to create web applications. It can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python can connect to database systems. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. It can be used for rapid prototyping or for production-ready software development. The most recent major version of Python is Python 10, which we shall be using in this lesson. Python syntax compared to other programming languages. Python was designed for readability and has some similarities to the English language with influence from mathematics. It uses new lines to complete a command, as opposed to other programming languages which often use semicolons or parentheses. This language relies on indentation, using white space, to define scope, such as the scope of loops, functions and classes. Other programming languages often use curly brackets for this purpose. Knowing the Python Turtle library. Turtle is a pre-installed Python library that enables users to create pictures and shapes by providing them with a virtual canvas. The on-screen pen that you use for drawing is called the Turtle, and this is what gives the library its name. The Turtle is mainly used to introduce children to the world of computers. It's a straightforward yet versatile way to understand the concepts of Python. This makes it a great avenue for kids to take their first steps in Python programming. With the Python Turtle library, you can draw and create various types of shapes and images. Starting Python. Let's open Python on your computer. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Click on Idle, Python 3.x 64-bit. This is the Python shell. Create a new file in Python. In the Python shell, click on File menu, select New File to create a file in Python. Programming with Turtle. You need to import the Python library to access all its functions and methods in the program. Import Turtle as T. The above statement would import the Turtle library and would give it the name T. With the help of T, you can access all its functions. Moving the Turtle. Turtle can move in 4 directions, i.e. forward, backward, left and right. The functions for the same are as follows. To move forward, T. Forward, 100, or T. FT, 100, would move the Turtle in forward direction by 100 units. To move backward, T. Backward, 100, or T. BK, 100, would move the Turtle in backward direction by 100 units. To turn left, T. Left, 90, or T. LT, 90, would turn the Turtle towards left by 90 degrees. To turn right, T. Right, 90, or T. RT, 90, would turn the Turtle towards right by 90 degrees. Drawing a square. In a square all the sides are equal, therefore we need to move the Turtle in forward direction by same units 4 times. As a square has 4 sides, we need to change the direction of the turtle 3 times. We have written the code, program, to draw a square. To check the coding we need to execute it. But, you can run the program only when it is saved. Saving the program. Let us save the program in Python, so that we can run it. To save any program. Step 1. Click on File menu. Step 2. Select Save As option. The Save As dialog box appears. Step 3. In the Save As dialog box, type the name of the program and click on Save button. Run the first program. As you saved the program, you can see the result by running the program now. Click on Run menu. Select Run module to run the code which you have written and generate the output. Drawing a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides, but 2 opposite sides are equal. Therefore, you need to move the turtle in forward direction by same unit 2 times, alternately. But you need to change the direction 3 times, as you have done while drawing a square. Drawing a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides, therefore, you need to move forward 3 times by same unit, but the turtle should change its direction 2 times by 120 degrees. Draw a circle. T.circle R statement will help you to draw a circle with radius R. Changing the screen color. By default, Turtle always opens a screen with a white background. However, you can change the color of the screen at any time using the following command. T.color. Color can be red, green, blue, yellow, magenta, etc. Brain feed. Putting the color in is very essential, otherwise it would show an error. Changing the turtle and pen color. When you first open a new screen, the turtle starts as a black figure and draws with black color. As per your requirements, you change the color of turtle and pen with the help of following commands. Changing the pen color. T. Pen color. This affects the outline or the ink color. Changing the turtle color. T. Fill color. This affects the fill color of the drawing. Here, we have drawn a triangle with outline as red and filled it with green color. When you use TBEGINFILL, you are telling the Python that you are going to draw a closed shape which will need to be filled in. TENDFILL indicates that you are done with creating your shape and it can now be filled in. Changing the pen size. Sometimes, you may need to increase or decrease the thickness of the pen. You can do this using the following command, T. Pen size, thickness. You can keep changing the value of thickness to change the thickness of the outline of any figure. Changing the turtle shape. The initial shape of the turtle is not same, but a triangular figure. However, you can change the way the turtle looks. You can have a look at some of them by typing in the following commands. T. Shape, turtle. T. Shape, arrow. T. Shape, circle. Changing the pen speed. The turtle generally moves at a moderate pace. If you want to decrease or increase the speed to make your turtle move slower or faster, then you can do so by typing the following command, T. Turtle, speed. The speed can be any number ranging from 0, the slowest speed, to 10, the highest speed. You can play around with your code to see how fast or slow the turtle will go. T. Home. The T. Home function will move the turtle to its original coordinates, 0, 0, and set its direction to 0 degrees. Calling home is the same as calling T. Go to 0, 0,